So, how long and how many resources are required for a status meeting? For the life of me, I can't understand why, in this time in business where efficiency is in such high demand, how we can still have status meetings. We waste weeks preparing decks or reports, when the flip side is we should be visualizing our work so we can see our status, we can see our risk, we can see our obstacles to completion, and it's right there in front of us. Plus, we can see the very latest up-to-date information, and it stands in stark contrast to those status meetings and the incredible inefficient use of time and money.
Yeah, I like to refer to the wise words of the executive consultant Buzz Lightyear when asked how long does it take to build a status meeting. His response, I'm sure we all know, is to infinity and beyond.